Students, now in this session we'll do revision on rational number. Okay, so here is the first question for all of you, that is insert 5 rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay, so it's the first thing that you have to do. You have to see the rational number very properly and you have to check the denominators, whether the denominators are same or not. If they are not similar, then you have to make it similar. This is the first thing that you have to do before you insert the 5 rational number. So for that, what you have to do, we have to first find the LCM of the denominators. That is 3 and 5. Okay, that is LCM of 3 and 5 would be what? 15, isn't it? Now you will write the first rational number, that is 2 by 3. Now divide this 15 with 3, you will get the answer as 5. Now multiply this 5 with both the numerator and the denominator, you will get the answer as 10 upon 15. The similar thing you will do with the second rational number also, that is 4 by 5. Now divide this LCM with this 5, you will get the answer as 3. Multiply this 3 with the numerator as well as the denominator, so you will get the answer as 12 by 15. Now you see both the rational numbers are carrying the same denominator, that is 15. Now how many rational numbers? We have to put 5. What is the rule? That if 5 rational number they have asked, then you have to multiply the required rational number with 6, isn't it? So 10 by 15. Now multiply 6 with the numerator as well as the denominator. So it will be 60 by 90, isn't it? Now same thing you will do with here also. That is 12 by 15. You have to also multiply this rational number with 6 with both the numerator and the denominator. You will get the answer as 72 by 90. Now in between this 60 by 90 and 72 by 90, you have to put any 5 rational numbers. So you can write it like this: 60 by 90 and 72 by 90. So in between this you have to write 5 rational number, and I have always suggested please put those rational number inside the box so that the teacher could understand properly. That is 61 by 90, 62 by 90, 63 by 90, 64 by 90 and 65 by 90. Okay, so this is the required answer solution. Now let's move on to sum number 2. Question number 2, we have rewrite in the simplest form. So this is a rational number given, you have to rewrite this in the simplest form. So we have learned that whenever it is asked to rewrite any rational number in the simplest form, that means you have to keep on reducing until and unless you don't see that the numerator and the denominator are sharing only one as a factor. Fine? Up till that time you have to just keep on reducing it. Fine, so you just keep on reducing, that is these two numbers can be reduced by 2, so it would be 32 and this would be 60. Again this 32 and 60 can be reduced by 2, so it would be 16, 30. Again this 18 and 30 can be reduced by 2, that would be 8 and 15. Now you see these two numbers have only 1 as a common factor, that means this is the simplest form of minus 64 by 120. So you will write minus 8 by 15 is a required answer. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to sum number 3. So question number 3 we have solved, and I have chosen two sum. One is addition and one is subtraction. So first let's do this sum number A. Now you see in sum number A we have two rational numbers which is written in the mixed fraction form. So the first thing, yes, we have to turn this mixed fraction form to a improper form. So that would be minus 7 by 2, isn't it? Plus 15 plus 4, 19 by 5. Okay. The next step, we have to find the LCM of 2 and 5, and that would be 10, isn't it? Now 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. 5 into minus 7 will give you minus 35. Okay. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 into 19 is 38. Okay. So minus plus minus. 38 minus 35 is 3. 38 is greater, so it is carrying plus signs, so it is plus only. So 3 by 10 is a required answer. Okay. Now let's do sum number B. sum number B have two signs facing each other. So first thing what we have to do, we have to put a singular sign, and how to do that? We have to multiply these two signs. Okay, so that is 5 by 13 minus minus is plus 2 upon 65. Okay, now the next step is we have to find the LCM of 13 and 65. So that would be 65 only. Now 65 divided by 13 will give you answer as 5. Now 5 into 5 is 25. And 65 divided by 65 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. So that would be 27 by 65. This is the required answer of sum number B. Fine. All the sums which I am doing today is very, very important, students. Please do practice this type of sums in your summer break. Okay. Now let's move on to sum number 4. Now question number 4, we have represent the following on the number line. Very, very important. Fine. So how to represent this rational number on the number line? Fine. So the first thing, you have to draw a number line. Draw a number line first. So we are solving sum number A. Now, because this number is a positive number, isn't it? So the number need to be on the right hand side of the 0. So we'll put 0 here, because we'll consider it on the positive side, not on the left hand side. But still, as this is a number line, so we'll give one negative number, so that to just to show that on the left hand side the negative number is there. Now see the denominator very properly. I have told that whenever you are plotting anything or representing any rational number on the number line, you always have to see the denominators. Fine. This denominators decides how many divisions would be there between two consecutive numbers. So this is 9. So there would be 9 division. Okay. So 1 division, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here would be 1. See, 9 divisions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If there would have been 7 denominator, then they would have 7 divisions. Okay, so this denominator decides that how many divisions would be there in between the two consecutive numbers on the number line. Now, what will be the value of the first mark? That would be 1 upon 9. Second value would be 2 upon 9. Third, 3 upon 9. The fourth one would be 4 upon 9. Then 5 upon 9. Then 6 upon 9. Then 7 upon 9. After that 8 upon 9, and this would be 9 upon 9. See, 9 upon 9, if you reduce it, you will get 1, isn't it? What will be the next one then? 10 upon 9. Then 11 upon 9. This way it will keep on succeeding. Okay, it will keep on succeeding. So what is the rational number that we have to plot? That is 7 by 9. Where is the 7.9? Here. So you just have to put a dot and mark it like this. Okay, so this is how we have to plot the first one. Now let's see how to plot number B. For number B, again we have to draw a number line like this. Okay, now this time you see the rational number is carrying a minus sign. That means this rational number need to fall on the left hand side of the 0. So we'll now consider it on the left hand side. So we'll just write 1. Okay, now what is the denominator? 7. So how many divisions would be there in between the two consecutive numbers? That is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that this would be minus 1. Fine. And then again 1, 2 you can give, no problem. Okay. Now what is the value of the first division? It would be minus 1 upon 7. Second one, minus 2 upon 7. Third, minus 3 upon 7. Then minus 4 upon 7. Minus 5 upon 7. Minus 6 upon 7. And this value would be minus 7 upon 7. See, 7, if you reduce it, you will get minus 1. So this would be minus 8 by 7, minus 9 by 7, minus 10 by 7, minus 11 by 7, and keep on it will go. Okay. So now which rational number we have to plot on the number line? It is minus 5 by 7, isn't it? So here is minus 5 by 7. Okay, students. So that's it. So do practice well, because your exams are coming. All the best and enjoy your summer break. Take care. God bless you all and stay blessed.